I ain't gonna front. I ain't buy the Crocs cause I don't wear Crocs. I don't even wear New Balance. I only own one pair, and that's the Bodega joints. But these Salehe Bembury, these joints is alright, man. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Nah, these joints even come with a whistle? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. This shoe is heavy. Today we got the Salehe Bembury New Balance. And they calling them gray, but some websites call them shark teeth. And I can see both names being on the money and accurate. Like I told y'all in the beginning, this is only my second New Balance. The first New Balance I ever owned was the Bodega joints. I got a full review of those. I'll put it somewhere up there in the archives if you want to check that out. Shout out to all the people commenting below, giving me knowledge of New Balance. That's what I started the channel for, is for all knowledge, man. So shout out to y'all. But today we here with part 2 of my New Balance phase, and this one comes from Salehe Bembury. And if you know, he's a great artist. I think he's from LA. I bumped into him in LA a couple of months ago. I might not be factual with that, but I think he's from LA. And he's known for the Crocs he did a couple of months ago. And I didn't go for him because I don't wear Crocs at all, unless you want to call these a Croc. This is as close to Croc as I'm getting. Yeah, so he did so good with the Crocs that I said as soon as he does a sneaker collab, no matter who it's from, where it's from, I'm going to buy it. Just so happened, it happened to be the New Balance Yurt. Or Yurt. Help me out in the comment section below. I never seen Y-U-R-T put together. It just makes me think of yogurt. Like, off the gate, I just think of yogurt. But color-wise, I love it. I love an all-gray sneaker. I even dig some of the bottom panel. We separate a little when we get as low as this. But we'll see, man. So yeah, we did enough talking. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Now this is what you call presentation. This box is dope. We can just do a review on the box, to be honest. So this New Balance is made for outdoor wear. And nothing screams outdoor like a teepee, like some trees. What is that, a volcano maybe? I don't know. No, that's just a tree. The name of the shoe, the Yurt. The bottom here, more outdoor wilderness. And on this side, more teepees. And right here you have some words. It says, "Peace be the journey." Couple of New Balance logos. Salehe Bembury, the first collaborative project between Salehe Bembury and New Balance Athletic Inc. So when you finally get through all that, and you open the lid, inside has a dope art piece of, I don't want to say Indians or Native Americans or maybe Asians. I can't really look it up. I mean, look it out, but the artwork is dope. And they happen to have the New Balance on their feet. Very dope. Ancient mixed with modern. And after that, you have your brown New Balance logo with Salehe Bembury name under it. Now let's do a 360 view of the shoe before I say a word. Bam. So what screams at you off the top, even though it's all gray, you still see a reflective New Balance logo right there. That also pops even though it's the same color of the sneaker, maybe because of the reflectiveness. Right here you have some words that reads Salehe Bembury. Also in that platinum tint color on a nice white satin tag. Also, some more words here. That reads Absorb SBS. Now, if you guys drive, you know ABS is like brakes, but that kind of reminded me of that a little bit. Get that to pick up. Absorb SBS. At the bottom here, you have roller bar or roll bar. So it's like kind of car parts to me, man. You have two tabs on the back. Both are gray. One there, and another tab here, but it's blanked out on this side. So you have the gray there, but on the other side it's blanked out. This part right here, I know it's made for the outdoors, and I'm not an outdoor guy, but I really don't like how this comes off the sneaker. Y'all can see it from the side. It's like a pull tab the wrong way. But that comes off the sneaker. That's probably my only gripe of this sneaker, to be honest. I felt like that wasn't needed design-wise. I know for the outdoor it may do something, but design-wise, I don't feel like we needed a mud guard back there. It kind of throws the sneaker off. I know we in the era of dad shoes and thick, big shoes, but I really wasn't feeling that. But the shark teeth name has to come from this right here, as these do look like teeth. They don't look like shark teeth to me, but they do look like teeth, and the added gray on top of the white makes it definitely look like teeth. Your bottom has your, I don't want to say like the Pharrell the HMUD joints, but it does have that thickness, more thick. It looks like maybe a football cleat minus the spikes. As you can see, the thickness on the bottom there. The inside also has that platinum gray, and my finger can go all the way inside this. So this is definitely for grip, like definitely for grip on something. This has a whole section here. That reads New Balance. I feel like if this was Adidas sneaker, they would throw some boost in there right there. They'd throw some boost technology in there. But that reads New Balance. The insoles also read New Balance in Salehe Bembury's name in a nice like blue. I want to say navy, but it's a little lighter than a navy. Now we got all like the aesthetics of the outside. Well, let me show y'all this. Where it reads roll bar, if you look in the inside, it has like that microfiber design. It's just not black. Let's try to get it to focus. You see the inside of those? Now to the sneaker. You have a nice, I don't want to say wall, even though it is coming up wall, sort of like the Travis Scott khaki joints. It's coming up, but it's soft to touch, man. So it is like a new buck joint. The toe box is very dope to me. You don't really see this material on a sneaker anymore. This netting material. I like Kobe Bryant a little bit. But this looks like a straight-on net. And that's all in the toe box, separated by these accents here that look like they may reflect just like the New Balance logo on the side. On the right side, you have your nubuck suede. But on the inside, the nubuck suede goes away a little bit and you get more of a leather. Not even leather, because this is soft. But it is a leather material. It's just very soft. Little design, threading, separates that. And then you got some holes here for your toes to breathe. 3 holes right there for your toes to breathe. Now the whistle. This is what caught my eye off the bat, man. It has a whistle here. It has an orange New Balance thing here, I guess, you know, to protect, because you have to put your mouth on here to whistle. I guess that's for emergencies only. It has to be for emergencies only. But I just thought this was so dope, man. So on the whistle, it reads the name of the sneaker, the Yurt, right there, with the New Balance logo under it. And this is whistle material, guys. Hard plastic, I would say, but definitely durable. The tongue has the New Balance logo, the Yurt name, and it looks to reflect also. I love the design of the tongue. It's not a regular square. It goes like, I don't know, like a coupon cutout right there. And I think that's dope. Thick tongue, thick material. It doesn't come with extra shoestrings, just white shoestrings. I would have liked them to be like the platinum color to complement the sneaker, but the white shoestrings do help the rest of the white pop out on the sneaker. And like I told y'all, I'm a sneaker vet. I'm 94% hype beast. But I'm a New Balance novice. So anything y'all could give me in that comment section below will help me. I did read that this is a mixture of the 990, the 994, and the Test Run 3.0. You see, I do my research, guys. So I couldn't really point out exactly what's what, but I know the bottom is the 574. This base is like the 574. I know that because, in my opinion, the 574 is one of the New Balances that comes out frequently and been coming out for a long time. So I do see that. I have reviewed some crazy sneakers in my past, but I think this goes to the top of the list ASAP, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop these? They did come in another colorway, but if y'all watch the channel, y'all know brown is not... Travis Scott does brown great. But other people I really can't do. This gray caught my eye from the moment I seen it, man. I think retail was $220. I got these from In Clothing, my overseas friend. Shout out to In Clothing. No, they didn't pay for anything on this video. It's just that whenever I can't get a sneaker in the States, In Clothing's always there for me, man. So shout out to Salehe Bembury. I hope I'm not butchering your name, guy. But keep up the success, man, and dope sneaker, man. Shout out to New Balance. They're actually the new wave. Shout out to New Balance, man. They definitely coming with fire. They trying to get up there with Nike. We'll see what happens, man. Thanks for watching. I'm your boy C Notes. Everybody get rich.